A VPN, short for Virtual Private Network, is a privacy protection tool that is quickly becoming a must-have. But why do you need a VPN, and how does it work in the first place? A VPN helps your data travel through the internet safely, without big companies or cybercriminals being able to spy on your online activities. Also, a VPN swaps the real location of your device with a new one. This way, you can virtually travel to any country around the globe. So, who can benefit from a VPN? If you're worried about your online privacy, a VPN makes sure your identity and private information are not exposed when you go online. If digital security is your top priority, a VPN gives a nice additional layer of security. It encrypts your data so nobody could see what you send and receive. If you are a human rights activist whose freedom of speech is restricted, a VPN helps you to bypass censorship and speak to the world. Or, if you're on holiday in another country, with a VPN, you can bring your home entertainment anywhere you go. Here's a pro tip: check out Surfshark VPN. It has everything you need in a premium VPN, awesome speeds, and industry-leading protection that covers all of your devices. All you have to do is click connect. Secure your digital life and enjoy everything good that the internet has to offer with a VPN you can trust.
Click link in the description and get 81% discount for your first order. Caring for your wooden table. Choose an environment that will not damage your wooden table. Where you place your wooden table in your home or office is more important than you might think and can impact its appearance and condition over time. Wood material is highly vulnerable to moisture, dryness, and other extreme settings, so picking a place with a consistent temperature is best. Exposure to fluctuating temperatures can cause warping, cracking, and even shrinking to your wooden table. Places like laundry rooms and bathrooms are not ideal for your wooden table due to high levels of moisture and humidity in the air. Living rooms, dining rooms, bedrooms, and offices tend to have more stable temperatures with a good balance of moisture and dryness. Even in a room with moderate temperatures, your wooden table can still sustain damage if it's near a radiator, heater, fireplace, or in a spot with lots of direct sunlight. Examine the space thoroughly before making a final decision on placement. Dust weekly to prevent buildup and scratches. It may be surprising that something as seemingly harmless as dust could damage your wooden table, but it can. When dust accumulates, it can cause small scratches to the surface of your wooden table. Dusting frequently, about 1 to 2 times per week, can keep dust away and keep your table in great shape. Dusting your wooden table with cloth is better than using a feather duster. Feather dusters can sometimes spread dust even more. Instead, dust your wooden table using a cloth that is clean, soft, and dry. You can lightly dampen the cloth with water to help capture all of the residue, or you can purchase a microfiber or lint-free cloth for more thorough cleaning. Gently swipe the cloth over the wooden table using a circular motion. Avoid harsh wiping as it could cause damage to the surface or stain of the wood. Wiping in the direction of the wood grain is recommended. Clean up accidents immediately to avoid permanent damage. Accidents can and will happen. To protect your wooden table from serious damage, quickly clean up any food or drink spills. Waiting too long to clean up will allow the spill to set, which could cause more damage than the initial spill. Like with dusting, using a cloth that is clean, soft, and dry is best to clean up an accident. Though it's okay to use a bit of water to lightly dampen the cloth, too much water can be bad for your wooden table. If a stain has set and needs a bit more power than just a damp cleaning cloth, a product that is specifically for cleaning wooden furniture may be required, like a water ring remover or mark remover. Your wooden table is special and requires special care, so avoid using an all-purpose cleaner. Some cleaners contain chemicals that may be harmful to you. There are many non-toxic options you can make at home yourself using ingredients such as vinegar, olive oil, lime juice, and turpentine. Protecting your wooden table. Limit the possibility of damage with a protective layer. While we can't always prevent accidents from happening, things like tablecloths, placemats, coasters, and trivets can limit direct contact with heat, moisture, and other elements. We live in a day and age where we don't have to choose between design and function. You can find protective pieces that are beautiful and match your style. Some protective pieces, like placemats, can be made of materials that can be harmful to your wooden table. Avoid products made of plastic or vinyl. Decorative pieces such as vases or centerpieces can also be a threat, as they could potentially scratch the surface of your wooden table. Consider placing cork or felt pads underneath those kinds of pieces to protect it. Treat minor scratches yourself to keep your wooden table looking its best. Even with proper care, normal wear and tear will happen over time. Unless it's serious damage that requires an experienced professional, you can repair scratches yourself quickly and easily. You should always avoid sliding anything across your wooden table to prevent scratches. But if a scratch does occur, there are a variety of effective and affordable options that can help you get your wooden table looking great again. Wood touch-up markers, liquid scratch covers, or wood filler sticks are just a few examples of items available to help you fix a scratch. Apply wax to protect and restore shine. There are all kinds of oils, sprays, and polishes available for maintaining your wooden table. While many of these products can be helpful, wax can be particularly useful for various reasons. If applied properly and regularly, wax can serve a dual purpose by enhancing the beauty of your wooden table and protecting it from damage. Polish and oils offer a more cosmetic solution that can help bring back shine to your wooden table. Typically, they do not provide additional protection for it. A finish is applied to wood furniture to enhance the beauty of the piece and to seal the wood to protect it. Using wax can protect that finish by adding an additional protective barrier. Many waxes also help restore a glossy look, which can keep your wooden table looking shiny and new year after year.